If you want to escape from Chennai's unrelenting summer, the Government Museum Complex in Egmore is one place where you can escape it. Here we have many old buildings, almost 200 years old on this campus. You have the stunning Connemara Library with its very enviable literary collection. You have the newly renovated National Art Gallery. You have the museum with its enviable Chola Bronze Gallery and the largest Roman antiquities outside of Europe. You also have the Museum Theatre, home to some of the best productions that Chennai has seen over the years. The Museum Theatre was built in 1896 in classic Italianate style. It was renovated over a period of 3 years recently at a cost of 3.4 crore. Now we have new pushback seats, painted ceilings and walls, and a freshly laid wooden stage. This wooden stage has a motorized lift which also has been renovated and acts as a dramatic tool.
Actually, after COVID, Museum Theatre has been closed. It has taken roughly 3 years for this renovation work. Almost all the weekends we are getting bookings. All events are associated with cultural thing. Actually, the music performance, dance performance, school annual days, and corporate functions. They are coming here. They are approaching us.
On the same campus, we have another of Chennai's iconic buildings, the National Art Gallery. It was also called the Victoria Memorial Hall. You might recognize it from the popular Tamil song Chandralekha from Maniratnam's Tirada Tirada. Constructed in the Jaipuri Mughal style, the building, built by Nambirumal Chetty in 1909, was designed by Henry Irwin. It resembles Akbar's dream palace in Fatehpur Sikri. Since 1951, it has been one of India's national art galleries. After a decade of being closed down for renovations, which were done at a cost of Rs 12 crores, the gallery is now finally open to the public. Inside, you can see over 120 artwork that were moved from the adjacent Contemporary Art Gallery. These include paintings from the Tanjore School, the Mysore School and the Rajput School, apart from ivory, wooden and bronze sculptures. An entire section dedicated to the original artworks of the artist Raja Ravi Varma is probably the highlight of the space.
Roughly 200 to 300 per day increased. Most of them they wanted to see the magnificent building, and they want to take photographs inside, outside the building. So the people are very much impressed because that's the only Indo-Saracenic building with Mughal architecture available in Chennai city. For the display itself, around 1 crore rupees has been spent for lighting and air conditioning and all that. Because air conditioning in a heritage building, it is difficult. So in such a way we have done.